This is our right hand and this is our left hand. While doing calculations and writing in Abacus book, we should not leave the pencil. But question arise how to hold the pencil for right hand people and left hand people. For right hand people, we have to hold the pencil in this way. Thumb and index finger should be free because on one's place we want to calculate with right hand, thumb and index finger. This is step 1. Hold the pencil properly. Position 2. Grip the pencil properly. And position 3. Writing position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. For left-handed people, hold the pencil in this way. Here, index finger and middle finger should be free because on tens place we calculate with index finger and middle finger. This is the position 1, holding the pencil properly. This is the position 2, grip properly for writing, and position 3, writing position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now start the practice.